Welcome to the Hostinger Coupon Code channel. If you're thirsty for Hostinger discount codes, you've landed at the right place, and we're about to rock it. Let me walk you through something game-changing. I've taken the Hostinger VPS Hosting KVM 2 plan as an example, but here's the novel part. You can choose any hosting plan according to your needs and still enjoy these inspiring discounts. Now here's where it gets really useful and entertaining. If you're buying using my special partnership link with Hostinger, you'll get an extra 20% discount. But if you're using a coupon code, you'll only get 10% discount. So you can see the heartwarming difference between the discount pricing. I've selected a duration of 24 months for this example. Great news, your free domain comes extra with this order. Here's some life-changing advice. If possible, go with the highest duration for maximum discount. Let me share an informative example of why this matters. I purchased a business web hosting plan for $41 for 1 year. After 1 year, my renewal cost was around $95. But if I had previously purchased it for 4 years, the total cost I would have paid was just $108 for 4 years. So you can see the calming peace of mind that comes with locking in these rates for longer periods. So what do you have to do? It's enjoyable and simple. Check out the link in the description and in the comments section. I've included links for all available countries in their local language and currency. When you go with your country's link, you'll be redirected to Hostinger. Here's the useful step-by-step. Select Services or Products on the navbar. Choose any plan according to your needs. You'll get an extra 20% off on all Hostinger plans like Web Hosting, Cloud, Website Builder, Hostinger Horizon, and Business Web Email. For this video, I'm going with VPS Hosting, so click on VPS Hosting. Here's a novel tip that'll rock your experience. Always try with a new email address that is not registered with Hostinger. One more calming note. In this video, the currency is showing in dollars, but that doesn't matter. When you go with your particular country's link, it will show in your country's currency and language. The informative coupon code links are available for all countries in the comments section. Go with your country's link and enjoy your hosting discount. Happy hosting, and let's rock it!